Hallo Leute, willst du kommen zu meinem Video? I'm just kidding, it's Tommy, priest. Ooh, started growling there. In today's video, I would like to show you guys how to turn off title translation on YouTube if you are using Google Chrome, but please pay attention. I said title translation. Before you attempt anything, please watch the whole video so you can see what kind of results will you be getting and what's the process if you are willing to take it. Now, if I have your attention and time, I would like to give you some insight, what's behind the scenes, the secrets, and show you and explain a couple of things. So let's get started. Here's a video from PewDiePie that's titled Bist du rassistisch? I'm a certified German and I know pronunciations now, but the actual title of this video, let's point our eyes towards the tabs of Google Chrome. It says, "Are you racist?" and then test. So this is the real title of the video, but this is translated. If we take a look at my YouTube configurations, we can see that the language I have set here is German. So what YouTube is doing, well, it's not YouTube. It's actually it, and it seems like it's actually the creator of the video that's doing this. The creator of the video has to manually translate description, the title, and also provide subtitles for his video. Let's take a look. We have English, we have Deutsch, we have Finnish, other languages pretty much. As you can see, almost every other language is provided. That's because PewDiePie is one of the biggest YouTube channels. He has people working for him who translate his videos for him. Here is one of my videos, which is titled Top 5 Best Free Desktop Recording Softwares. This is the English title. If I scroll down, I can actually open up more options, and I can scroll down over here. This is where, let me translate this to English to you really quickly. This is where I can actually manage the subtitles for the video, and I can upload the subtitles that I have created on my own. However, I have not done that. So this video is only available in English language. I actually did a search and I found my video. Let's open it up. As you can see, the title of the video and the description are not being translated into German, even though the rest of the website and my language configurations are still set to German. Here's another example, how to print, for example. I'll open up this video and you'll see that it also is not translated. Once again, why are translations happening? It's not because of YouTube, it's because the content creator decided to provide these translational files, and that's why you are seeing these titles in other languages. That is so far what I have noticed. However, potentially YouTube could by itself be translating some of these things automatically by using their Google Translate feature. So possibly that is also what is happening. Obviously the best, without a doubt, freaking thing would be to simply open up the settings and turn this off. However, YouTube, being such an awesome website, did not provide us with that option. Wonderful, I love this website. So we are forced ourselves to do something about it. Either by protesting and pretty much making them give us the option, which, let's be realistic, that's never going to happen. Nobody's gonna go to the streets and protest to make a change on YouTube website. Nobody cares about it, and they don't care about the online backlash. So what are we left with? Well, the only option is to, at the moment, install this add-on which says YouTube Anti-Translate. Add to Chrome. Click this glorious button and click Add Extension. Wait a little bit. You might get a pop-up notification that tells you, oh yeah, this is a not safe add-on. Who freaking cares? Go back to the page that translates the title of the video. Refresh it. You'll notice that as soon as the website loads, it's actually going to be in English now. However, this doesn't work for the description, only translates the title. Honestly, it's simpler than the previous video that I have shown you, but this is only thing we can do at the moment. Frustrating, 100%, but still, this, once again, the only thing. Nobody's gonna go protest, really. Nobody cares about it so much. So, this is what we are left with, sadly. What can I say, man? That's what it is. Anyhow, hopefully I've given you some insight to why this is happening. Because of the creators, but still, YouTube did provide these options for the creators. YouTube is making these titles translate automatically. You don't even have to turn on the subtitles. The title gets translated anyways. So obviously both parties are to blame I blame YouTube more. So hopefully I provided you with insight and a helpful tutorial. Do let me know in the comments if you know any other better way to do this, and I'll update you in the future if I find any better ways to stop this nonsense translation. If only we human beings were capable of advancing and being convenient to one another, but no, that's the world we live in. That's why you better subscribe to the channel if you want to see more convenient videos from me. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for your attention and time. I'll see you in upcoming episodes. Priest, signing out.
Yeah, I feel so old. Gotta waste no time, gotta wait in line and the weather's so cold. Should've brought my coat at the end of the line, all my shit untold. Messed up a lot, used to be waiting for something or someone to give me my spot. God only show you the way, it's all up to the plan and the paper and people you ride. I learn when I die, I hope that they notice and give us a shot. I swear me team been lying.